This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty. Wipeable material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Just the right size with space for your computer and 2-inch binders. 2 water bottle pockets. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size. This backpack holds a ton. It's easy to clean. Not a bad price at all for being a brand name sports brand. Not too small but not a full-size backpack either. Can make a great gym bag for water bottles, has 2 sleeves on side of bag, and clothes and hygiene products or even a diaper bag since it's easy to wipe down. Or the perfect on-the-run bag or worn bag as well. Held my lunch and daily items to work.